Hey guys, meron akong na-receive na message. Someone called me dito sa cellphone ko.
Of our village.
Oo.
Choco hazelnut pizza.
Mommy and Jano did fasting yesterday, so they
They want to eat
requested.
pasta.
No, pizza. And I
They
want
want to eat pizza.
And I want to eat pasta. So, kahapon guys, bumili kami ng duhat. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And meron akong napansin, bakit merong malaking duhat palang ganito, oh? Laki ng variety ng duhat nila. So, ayaw ko sana kumain ito kasi sabi nila, kapag kung ano daw yung kinakain mo, ganun daw magiging itsura ng anak mo. Pero hindi naman ako naniniwala. So, kain tayo ng duhat, guys. Hindi pala duhat to, guys. Iba pala siya. Anong klaseng prutas to? Kaya pala malalaki sila. Naubos ko na yung duhat. Para siyang kalasa ng apple, pero hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tignan niyo ang laki. Hindi ko nga alam kung tama ba yung pagkain ko dito. Pero hindi naman maano yung ano niya, yung balat niya. Nakakain naman siguro yung balat. Kung alam niyo yung pangalan nito, guys, sabihin niyo ako, ha. First time ko natikman to. Masarap naman siya. Para siyang kalasa ng mansanas, pero ito hindi crunchy, malambot. Tapos, ano ba? Yung texture niya, parang kalasa ng ano ba? Paano? Basta kamukha siya ng duhat. Parang ganun. Parang duhat siya na apple, ganun. Nakakita na ba kayo ng ganito? Guys, gutom po ang buntis. So, kakain tayo nitong butter cookies. And meron tayo ditong choco hazelnut ice cream. Pero hindi ko na ito uubusan, guys, ha? Kasi kalahati na lang to. And kainin na lang natin yung kalahati. Oh, I've been craving for this. That's why. Kain tayo. So, guys, meron ako na-discover ng pagkain. Ice cream from Chaswala. Choco hazelnut. Uubusan na natin to. Pero, wag dapat masyadong marami. Baka magka-diabetes tayo. So, kalahati lang tayo.
Choco hazelnut.
Very yummy talaga. Nag-crave ako ng ice cream. Guys, so, naka-ready kami ngayon. And, pupunta kami para bumili ng pagkain namin for today. Kasi, sobrang maulan ngayon. And, nag-crave kaming lahat sa isang pagkain. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta. And right over here, nilalaro ni Milan itong bata. Hi, Borky! Hello! Hey guys, meron akong na-receive na message. Someone called me dito sa cellphone ko. Milan, who is the one who called me?
Health department of our village.
Oo. So, because it's rainy season here in India, guys.
No, it's actually raining from 2 days.
You sit here, you explain. Sobrang ganda ng healthcare system nila dito, guys. And I was surprised kasi they just did not call once. Thrice, no, Milan, they called 3 times talaga para i-remind ako and para tanungin ako ng mga details. Milan, what did they ask? First, they called me. I was upstairs.
They said, what is your plan if contraction start?
Oo.
Like, how will you go hospital? Where will you go hospital? What is the name of hospital? Do you have any preparation to go hospital? Like, we have car or you don't have car?
Oo. If you don't have car, guys, ang gagawin nila is they will send an ambulance to your house and
Yes.
they will do whatever they can
To help.
to help you
They
on
was
your
just making
pregnancy.
sure that if you can reach hospital if contraction start or not. So if you cannot, they will do the
Work for
preparation.
you.
Yes.
So, kasi kanina earlier, it's very, very rainy. And then they asked me, ma'am, you're on your 9th month of
You
pregnancy. You stay inside
you
the
don't go
house.
out, you will sleep,
Sleep.
take care while walking like that.
So, para hindi ka madulas, ganyan. And then second call, Milan answered the call. And then what did they ask you?
So, what is your preparation?
Oo. So, they ask kung ano yung mga vehicle namin, kung paano kami pupunta, kung saan ako nagpapa-check up, sino yung OB-GYN ko, all the details about my pregnancy. And then they said that if you need any help or
You can call us even at midnight and we will prepare everything.
if there's some problem,
Yes.
you just tell us. And then I wonder if you are part of the lower society or if you are poor, Even though you are poor, meron ka pa rin talagang...
They will even give you 6,000
Oo.
if you are poor.
Meron ka pa rin talagang access sa mga government services.
Yeah, if you are poor, they will send 108 car.
They have emergency
Yeah,
landline
emergency
here. If
number.
in US, there's 911.
It's 108
In
here.
here, there's 108. And nakalaganap yung mga ambulance dito
In
sa lugar.
less than 10 minutes, the car will reach here. They will bring you to the nearest hospital and prepare everything.
So, in here, even though you are poor, guys, you have access to the government services. Especially in Gujarat. In our area.
I think most.
I just don't know about other area, Milan.
Most,
Like,
most everywhere.
most everywhere.
Yeah.
So, if you guys are in India and nararanasan nyo yung mga ganun, guys, you tell us down if you have that 108 service also.
Everywhere, 108 is
Because
everywhere.
Milan is in the hospital, right? Working in the hospital. So, he knows. He is a doctor, so he needs to be there as soon as there is emergency.
Yes.
So, alam namin na merong service ng
There is
108.
also, if you are little bit rich,
Oo.
the nurses and the blood collection report, even they will come to your house to get blood. They will come to your house, they will
Free.
collect the blood, they will send you report by a Gmail or any way possible.
They
message,
even
WhatsApp.
give you oil, dal, flour. So even
That's
if
for
you
your
don't have
nutritions.
any money, you can still eat and feed your baby and take care of your baby.
Even after the baby is born, there is already a center
Oo.
where we are going to usual checkup.
Oo.
That center, you can bring your baby and then they will feed your baby.
Oo. Hanggang sa ng mga guys, they will take care of you. Yung baby mo, take care nila, bibigay nila lahat ng mga injections, mga bakuna na kailangan
Remember,
niya.
there is play area, there is
Oo,
toy,
papakainin ka pa.
books
Milk,
and all.
if you want milk every day,
yeah.
you just go to the healthcare center and
And
then feed the baby.
You can just
Sobrang-
feed your baby there.
I like the system, healthcare system in India, guys. You can do operation also.
Yeah.
You just imagine.
We are doing at least 5-4 operation at my hospital actually is in rural area. Our area considered rural, so it's not very very big population, small population, and not big facility also. That hospital that you see is actually considered small hospital,
So they're making big one with air condition
centralized air condition.
sa may hospital na ginagawa nila. So very good talaga ang healthcare system dito, guys.
We usually do
And-
Ilan
Oh?
sa 5 to 7 operation and
Oo.
free of cost.
Oo. What are the
No charge.
operations you usually do? Cancer operations you also have?
Not that.
No
We
cancer.
don't have that big facility. We do it, but only the simple one, not
Like
complicated
removing
one.
kidney stones?
Yeah, like breast cancer, we removed 1, 2 or 3 times up until now that I started job. But usual are appendicitis, hydrocele, hernia,
So,
lipoma,
yung mga
like
maliliit na operations, they do it.
perforated appendicitis, some complicated one.
Free of cost. So, yung mga katulad ni na Sonal Masi
Total
na...
free, zero.
So, those people like Sonal Masi, they
Yeah.
only need to
Go
take
there.
care of their food. But healthcare,
No.
free.
As long as you are in the hospital,
Ah.
even your relatives and patients' food come from hospital.
There's food also.
Yeah.
Oh.
In the morning there is tea and nasto, and then
It's free, guys,
lunch,
ha?
and then 5 o'clock tea again, and then dinner again.
Wow, very good yung healthcare system nila. So, we are running late, guys. We just want to tell you how good the system is. We'll be buying some pizza. So, we'll see you later. Ayun, guys. Papunta na kami. We'll be buying some pizza. And ginabi na kami. So, I'll update you later. Huminto na rin yung ulan. Good thing. So, nandito ako ngayon sa may kotse. Hindi na ako bumaba, guys. Kasi very slippery talaga yung very slippery yung hagdan. Baka madulas pa ako. And umorder lang si Doc Milan dyan sa taas. Tapos babalik na lang daw siya and papakita sa akin yung menu kung gusto ko daw kumain ng mga pasta, ganyan. So ay nagka-crave ako actually ng pasta. And si Mommy nagka-crave siya ng pizza and si Jano since kahapon nga is nag-fasting sila. So hindi sila kumain from the morning hanggang 12 o'clock. So ngayon bumabawi sila ng kain and gusto nilang kainin daw yung favorite nila. So ayun, nihintay ko lang and balitaan ko kayo later. I think ang dami ring tao ngayon, guys, kasi fasting na halos lahat ng mga tao kahapon. So yung mga pamilya nila is parang inaano sila. Tawag dyan, tinitreat sila. What did you order?
4 pizza,
Ah.
1 Italian pasta.
And
That's
then,
it.
no soft drinks?
No, we will buy soft drink from outside,
Ah.
not from inside the franchisee because franchisee soft drinks are
Expensive.
expensive.
Chingo, ekdam, very
Kuripot.
kuripot. So, actually guys, si Milan, he is very tired of eating pizza.
Pizza. I
But
don't want to
mommy,
eat pizza.
mommy and Jano did fasting yesterday, so they
They want to eat
requested.
pasta.
No, pizza. And I
They
want
want to eat pizza.
And I want to eat pasta.
You want to eat pasta.
So, our, Kuya Milan is very, very sweet.
You?
You're very sweet for, granting our request. So, we are just waiting. How many waiting time daw?
20 minutes still.
20 minutes waiting time. So,
Yes.
we'll pass our time in here, guys. And I'll update you later. Yun, guys. Dumating na yung order natin. Umorder tayo ng 4. And I have the pasta here. Pink sauce pasta. So, tara na. Let's go and buy some drinks.
So,
Soft drinks.
diabetes.
Diabetes daw, diabetes. Ang daming tao dyan sa loob, guys. So, Lapinas Pizza.
The smells, no?
Very good smell. And it's already 8:30. Very hungry na ako. Gutom na ako.
Gutom na ako.
So, ayan, balitaan ko kayo later once na nakauwi na kami, guys. Bibigyan namin si Vipradida and Yog. So, isang box para sa kanila. Let's go, uwi na.